All right, we're on cycle 3 of lesson 6. For this section, I'd like you to read this on your own, picking up where we left off on page 35 and reading to the end of the chapter. It ends on page 37. Pause the video and do that now. All right, now that you've read to the end of this chapter, let's reread this excerpt from page 36. He's kind of trembly up there until he grabs hold of my hair to steady himself, and then the first really big rocket whams off a humongous thud. I can feel in my stomach, and Freak is shouting, "Ah, right!" And I know it's okay. He's not flipped out because I picked him up and put him on my shoulders, like he was a little kid instead of possibly the smartest human being in the whole world. I want you to note any hyperbole or extreme exaggeration you see in this excerpt. Do you think Max sees this as exaggeration or truth? So that means I want you to pull out that piece of exaggeration, and then does Max see this as exaggeration or truth? Pause the video and answer that if you need more time. And then what do you notice about Max's tone in that excerpt? Is he being sarcastic there? And if we remember, sarcasm typically hurts the person it's being said to. So is he trying to hurt Freak here? All right. And then our final question is consider the article about the science of fireworks. And then why is Freak shouting the names of chemicals and elements on page 33? Is he being sarcastic? How does Max react to this? What is one piece of evidence that supports your thinking? I apologize, scholars. It's page 36. And I will fix it before this gets uploaded. But let's read the science of fireworks. A firework consists of 3 parts: the shell, the explosive, and the stars, which are the colorful little pellets you see in the sky when the firework explodes. The shell holds the explosive material, gunpowder. Gunpowder is made up of chemical components that react with each other to create an explosion when heat is applied. Usually the shell is mounted on a tube and another sample of gunpowder is lit at the other end. This shoots the firework into the sky where it explodes and lights up the star pellets. Different burning metals will create different effects. So now we see these different chemicals and what they do. The magnesium burns very bright white. The potassium chlorate and potassium nitrate helps to generate lift. Copper is used to create blue fireworks, and strontium nitrate gives a red color to fireworks and stabilizes the mixture. So why would Freak shout chemical names and elements? And then is Freak being sarcastic there? And then what does Max do about it? I want you to pull something from the book as evidence that supports your thinking. When you're done, move on to the exit ticket.